Hello, dear fellas. I'll tell a so exciting story about a tale of honesty and solidarity. Be ready for an exciting adventure? I have a story to tell you about an enchanted forest filled with all sorts of animals, from rabbits to lions and even a troublesome duck. In this forest, harmony and happiness reign. But one day the troublesome duck causes confusion by cheating the other animals. But the wise lion is always watching over the forest and steps in to remind the animals of the importance of honesty and unity. This story is all about how lying and breaking unity can hurt everyone, and how honesty and unity are important to keeping peace and harmony in any group. But don't worry. This story isn't all serious. There's a lot of fun and excitement along the way, as the animals work together to make the forest a better place. So, join me on this adventure and let's have some fun. We'll learn about the values of honesty and unity while enjoying the tricks of our animal friends. Are you ready to explore the enchanted forest with me? Let's go!
Hey, my friends, listen to me. Have you heard? Something so scary is coming to the forest. We have to leave right now.
What's coming? I'm scared. Tell us.
The teacher deer started snorting and blowing, jumped running away without say goodbye. Some birds tweeting took off away, flying away in high speed. The bear snarling, running away to protect his family. The dancer snake, hissing, coiling, rattling its tail went inside a hole. And the singer fox in silence, without barking or yelping, fled running away to the mountain.
What should we do? I don't want to leave my home. I just thought it. It is so nice.
Hold on, everyone. What is it that's coming, Duck? Who would dare to come to scare us?
A big monster. It's going to attack us. We have to go.
I don't think that's true, Duck. Did you see the monster yourself?
Well, no, but I heard it from someone else. Someone that I don't know. Actually, two guys were talking about that, and they were running to another forest. I am really scared.
I see. Well, before we leave, let me investigate to make sure we're safe. Let's not panic, okay?
For 2 days, the wise lion went to different places and villages. The wise lion climbed tall trees, but he didn't see anything strange happening. So, he went back to talk to the duck.
Duck, why did you say there was a monster coming to the forest?
I wanted to have some fun and make everyone scared. I'm sorry. I saw that everybody was just working and going to school. I thought about something to have fun. Sorry.
It's okay to have fun, but we can't make up stories that aren't true. Honesty is important in our forest. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. I won't do it again. I promise. I will be a good duck.
Lion, can we forgive Duck for lying? He is a good guy. He deserves a second chance. Let us not put him in a pan.
Yes, we can forgive him, but we have to make sure he understands that lying can hurt others. We have to work together to keep our community honest and united.
That's right. We need to help each other and stick together to keep our home safe and happy.
Again, I'm sorry for lying. How can I help?
You can help the squirrel gather nuts. She could use an extra pair of hands.
Okay, I'll do my best. I am a good guy.
Can you show me where to find fresh grains?
Sure, I'd be happy to help you. If you need help, let me know.
Thanks for helping me collect nuts today, Duck. You are really good at it.
Thank you. I want to be helpful and make up for my mistake.
And thank you for showing me where to find fresh greener. You are a good friend.
You're welcome. I'm glad I can be a good friend.
I'm proud of you, Duck. You've shown that you can make up for your mistakes and be a valuable member of our community.
Default texts animals of the enchanted forest work together to make their home a better place. They learned that honesty and unity were crucial to keeping their community strong and happy. And the troublesome duck learned an important lesson about telling the truth and being a trusted friend. He worked hard to make up for his mistakes and became a trusted member of the community once again. Through this story, we can learn that even when we make mistakes, we can always try to make things right. We can work together and support each other to create a safe and happy community. So, let's be like the animals of the enchanted forest. Let's be honest, kind, and always ready to help each other. Together, we can make our world a better place for everyone to live in. If you like this story, give me a like and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell to watch all stories. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.